Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell here at Sun Joe, and today we're going to be unboxing this 12.6-inch electric scarifier and dethatcher from Sun Joe. So let's get into it. Now that we got everything out of the box, we just have to do a little bit of assembly. All we really have to do is attach the parts that make up the handle. When installing the lower part of the handle, you want the angled end to go in first, and then you want to push it down as much as possible until it bottoms out. That way, the screw holes line up. Thread the washer over the screw, and then you can put the screw in place. The next part of the handle to fit is the middle section. You want to make sure that the flanged side is on the inside of your handle. Then, through that square hole in the flange side, you'll drop one of the bolts in. We'll just push that on and screw on the knob. And now we can attach the cable clips for the wire. So now that we've got the handles on this assembled, we can attach our collection bag. There are just a couple of clips in there that some of the rods on the bag snap into, and there you go. And now that we've got this thing on the ground, you can see how the height adjustment works. You just push in this lever, and you can raise and lower it. Now that we've got this whole thing assembled, it's ready to go. Just remember, hit the safety button before you pull the trigger, and then you're off.